Hi, I'm Jay, and this is a Trion ionizing wire. They are shipped looking like a little spring with two little brass ends crimped onto them. The first thing you do before you install these is to carefully stretch them out. Now you want to be kind of careful about this because if you overstretch it, you'll break it. But you just do it like this, and now it still kind of looks curly, and that's fine, that's how they look. And the curls, the purpose of that is to keep it taut inside the collector cell cabinet. Replacement is easy. Here's how. All right, we're going to take the one brass end and we're going to slip it into the ionizing bar. There's a little groove cut into it. All right, that one's in. I'm going to bring the wire to the other side. Now we're going to grab this brass end here with a pair of needle nose pliers. And we're going to very carefully pull it into position. And there we go. Now, if you pull too tight on that wire, you'll break it and you'll have to buy another one. So you want to be very careful when you replace these ionizing wires. We recommend that you buy 1 or 2 extra ionizing wires whenever you're replacing yours because it's very easy to break them while installing them. It's also nice to have a spare for the next time one breaks. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.